Welcome back to my class. Today we are going to discuss about the structure of neuron. Basic thing that we need to know about neuron is its structural and functional unit of nervous system. And if you see, neuron is containing cell body, nucleus, dendrites, axon, Schwann cells, myelin sheath, synaptic nodes, and axon terminals and nodes of Renvir, right? A neuron is made up of a multiple nerve fibers and it is surrounded by connective tissues. A neuron or a nerve cell contains cell body, dendrites which receives impulses and a long projection called axon which transmit impulses, myelin sheath which is actually going to speed up the impulse transmission, and nodes of Renvir are nothing but between myelin sheath and axon terminal is nothing but the branched endings of axon is called axon terminal, which is going to transmit impulses to other cell. Synaptic node contains neurotransmitters. Connective tissues is like these layers that tissues provide structure and protection of the neuron, and connective tissues are hence divided into three types: epineuron and endoneuron, perineuronium. We will first discuss about the endoneurium. The tissue that surrounds around the individual axon is called endoneurium, and the second one is perineurium, a tissue that bundles individual axons into fascicles. Fascicle is nothing but bundle of muscle fibers is called fascicles. And the third one is epineurium, అంటే the outermost layer of the neuron. Okay, అంటే cell body, the outermost layer of the cell body is called epineuronium. Okay, and neuron is also having blood vessels. See, a neuron contains numerous blood capillaries which will be transporting nutrients and oxygen to the neuron. In structural properties, first we will discuss about the cell body. Cell body is the main component of the neuron which contains nucleus and other organelles. Organelles are nothing but like mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, ఇంకా vacuoles, lysosomes, వాటిని మనం organelles అని అంటాం. And second we'll discuss about the dendrites. The branching is called dendrites which receives impulses from the other neuron and transmits it to the cell body. And third one we are going to discuss about axon, a long projection from the cell body which transmits impulses away from the cell body and it will be transmitting it to the other like neuron, muscle or gland. And next one is axon hillock, is nothing but it is a specialized region where axon is going to be generated. And the next one is myelin sheath. It is a insulating layer made up of fat that wraps around the axon, which will be increasing the transmission of nerve impulses and produced by a Schwann cells from the peripheral nervous system. The next one is nodes of Renvir, means the gap between myelin sheaths is called nodes of Renvir. Axon terminal ante the branched endings of axon is called axon terminal, which is transmitting it to the synaptic knobs. The impulses are transmitted to synaptic knobs, okay, to other cell. This is the overall explanation of the structure of neuron. I hope you have understood it very clearly. If you have any doubts, please comment down. Thank you for watching my video.